Good afternoon, YouTube. We are here in Twin Falls, Idaho, at the place where Knievel in 1974 attempted to jump the Snake River. So here in a minute we'll go up top and take a look across. Now it's just a dirt mound that they mounted the track onto. The track's been since removed. But let's go up top and check it out. You can see, okay, let's take a hike up the hill where Knievel launched from. We'll take a look at the view across. As you can see as we're going up, and you got to remember this was just where they mounted the rail too. It's really steep. You can see, let's spin around here, you can see where it was mounted to these cement sections. Oh wow. Okay, we're up at the top of the ramp. If you look over there, you can see the bridge going across the Snake River into Twin Falls. We'll slowly kind of pan around here until you can see the other side of where he was going to jump to. You can drive out there. We may if we have time on our way home today. But you got to admit that's pretty impressive from here over to there. At first I was kind of questioning that it was a mile, but now that I look at the size of the tracks over there, it's probably a good mile. Okay, made it to where Knievel attempted to jump over the Snake River. Before we go up on top here, here's the sign commemorating it. It was done on September 8th, 1974. Explains everything that went on here. We're going to take a walk up to the top and show you. Now all that's left here is the dirt mound that the launch ramp was attached to. But if you want to pause there, you can read everything. Here we are at Shoshone Falls, Niagara of the West. Currently there's a good flow over the falls. We've been experiencing good waterfall flows all across the west. This is the wettest in 30 years. We are very fortunate. You can see the rainbow down at the bottom here. Okay, here is a plaque on the statistics of the falls. It says right here that it's 212 feet high, 950 feet wide, and the falls is known as the Niagara of the West. But unlike Niagara West, it's not surrounded by commercial development. Okay, I'm not going to stand here and read the whole thing, so if you want to pause here, you can look at the different time frames of the falls. Okay, here we are at Bruneau Canyon Overlook. I mean, it doesn't compare to the Grand Canyon or anything, but it's still quite the impressive canyon. I don't know how far it is down there. I'm going to kind of pan around here, give you a look down in there. And we'll kind of pull it back out here, zoom in so you can see how the farmlands and stuff are down below. Back across the top of the plain here. Very pretty here. The river is really running through the bottom there. You can see the brown sediment in it. All right, that's the Bruneau Canyon overlook. Okay, we're going to wrap it up here today. This is Balance Rock. It's pretty obvious why. It's a big rock. It's 128 feet from the top to the bottom. Weighs 3,600 tons. They said it's going to fall over someday. It had a brother, was called Butcher Block Rock, that fell over in 1975. So they put some cement at the bottom to try to prevent it from falling over. But they said someday it eventually will. The thing weighs 3,600 tons, so I don't think I'd want to be under it when it does fall. But anyway, we're going to wrap it up there. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. How about a big thumbs up? Okay, until next time, take care.